The SEG30 is the smaller version of Matador's segmented travel backpacks with built-in packing cubes. This one has a 30-liter capacity compared to the larger one, which is a 42. The dimensions on this one make it great as a weekend pack or a minimalist travel bag at 18.5 long by 9.5 by 9.5 wide and tall. This thing is going to fit under the seat in most airlines. The fabric is thicker than what they use in their packable backpacks. They use a 420 denier nylon treated with a UTS waterproof coating on both the exterior and the interior lining. The exterior zippers are all small number 5, water resistant with these nylon pull tabs. One of my gripes with this bag is that they don't use YKK zippers. It's the same thing with the hardware. It's all off-brand nylon buckles and adjusters. I think with the quality that I usually see from Matador, they should have included name brand hardware with this pack. There are a lot of zippers on the outside of the SEG30, but the design is fairly simple. These exterior zippers all open into these segmented packing cubes of various sizes, ranging from 4, 6, 8 to 12 liters. There's also a top slash pocket, side water bottle pocket, and exterior laptop compartment. This front slash pocket is relatively large, but it doesn't have its own volume, so how much you can fit in here is going to depend on how full you have the main pack. It's the same thing with the side water bottle pocket. It's made with this stretchy mesh material that will expand out a little bit. But because of that, you can fit a ton of stuff in this pocket. It easily fits a 1-liter water bottle. You can put a travel tripod, towel, sandals. This pocket is quite large. The laptop compartment is a side access zipper on the back right behind the backpack strap, so that can hold up to about a 15-inch laptop. This is my 15-inch Dell Inspiron here. You can see that fits in there pretty decently. There's a small amount of padding on the back. It's kind of a thin piece of foam here, but there really isn't any kind of false bottom or false top in this thing to protect your laptop. The carry options consist of the backpack straps and then a bunch of carry handles, and I like carry handles as much as the next guy. There's one on the side, bottom, and then 2 on the top. Not sure this thing really needs 5 handles. The shoulder straps are similar to the other pack I recently reviewed, the Beast 28, about 2.5 inches wide with this mesh backing on here, but they are quite thin. And then there's a sternum strap, nylon buckles and clips that you can adjust with these fabric loops. And interesting to note, this 30-liter version, you can't stow the straps away, but you can on the larger 42-liter version. And there's no hip belt, which I don't think you need one on packs below about 30 liters because the purpose is to take the weight off of your shoulders. But a lot of people like them, and Matador doesn't offer one on this pack or even the larger 42-liter version, which I think they should. This is what the bag looks like on me with about 16 pounds worth of gear, including my laptop. Shoulder straps are comfortable. They're not very padded, but they're nice and wide and they fit on my shoulders nicely. The bag does sag a little bit, and this isn't a very big pack, but I think some hip belts would have really helped here. And then a little bit more back padding would have been nice. You can definitely feel that you have your laptop right against your back. The packing style is one of my favorite things about this bag. 4 packing cubes on the front, and then this clamshell style opening on the inside for larger items. These cubes are collapsible, which gives you some flexibility in how you pack the bag. Fully packed, these cubes are going to take up the entire volume of the pack, but if you wanted to take some larger, bulky items, shoes or a jacket in the main compartment, then these cubes will collapse to accommodate that space. These segments also contract and expand into each other, which gives you some options on how to pack the cubes. So for example, right now I have all my gear equally distributed in the cubes, pants, long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, and socks and underwear up here. However, you could take all your stuff out of one of the cubes and then pack it in the ones next to it. And you can see the volume almost completely expands into this middle empty cube now. This is great if you want to use one of these segments for dirty laundry. As you travel, you just transfer your clothes into this empty cube. And a quick demo to show you how much you can fit in this bag and how to pack it. 5 t-shirts, 2 socks, 4 underwear, hat, gloves, shorts, puffy jacket, rain jacket, 2 pairs of pants, long underwear, top, bottom, 2 long sleeve shirts, toiletry kit, and a bunch of electronics, travel wallet, notebook, sunglasses, charger, and battery. You're gonna wanna pack the clamshell first with any large bulky items so you know how much room you have left over in the segments. I'm just gonna put my puffy jacket in here, but you could just as easily put other large flat items like your pants. This packing style is good for either rolling or folding your clothes. I'm gonna put in these larger, heavier items in this bottom compartment, including the 2 pants, long underwear, and long sleeve shirts. In this second cube, I'm gonna put my shorts and all of my t-shirts. And you don't need to worry about getting the spacing exactly right because these cubes will expand and contract to fit whatever you put in there. The second to top 6-liter cube, I'm gonna put socks, underwear, gloves, and my rain jacket. Still have quite a bit of room left over. This top pocket, I'm gonna put my toiletry kit, and then a few of these other bulky items, sunglasses, and my travel charger. Small miscellaneous charger cords and battery in this top pocket. And then finally, the laptop in the back compartment. That's everything packed up in the SEG30. This thing's about 15.8 pounds or 7.2 kilograms. Again, this thing holds a surprisingly large amount of stuff, and I have enough gear in here for a long weekend trip in somewhere cold weather climate, or if you want to do laundry every week or so, you could pretty much travel indefinitely with this. My favorite things about this bag, it's just really solid, well built. This thing holds a ton of stuff, and it has really great organization with all these external segments. This could lead to some security problems. None of these zippers are lockable, and all your gear is pretty easily accessible from the outside of the pack. They also could have upgraded the hardware situation, including YKK zippers and some name brand nylon buckles, added more padding to the back of this thing, as well as some hip belts. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Matador SEG30. Again, stick around, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.